it's good to see everyone again. I'm Ron, and I got a little update for the channel. The channel is no longer DIY Beard Guy. It will be now known as Beard Guy Workshop. I just decided, it was time for a change. I'm feeling this one, so this one is kind of set in stone. So I'm really digging it, really liking it. As you can see, I changed the actual channel, the physical channel. You can see the banner, profile pic is different colors, things of that nature. Varieties of spice of life. So now we got that out the way. Like I said, I hope everyone is good, and officially welcome to Beard Guy Workshop. As you know, I'm Ron. If you're new here, I'm Ron. If you're returning, glad to see you. Welcome. In today's video, I'll be making a batch of edge grain cutting boards. I initially was just going to make the one, but I have a lot of wood and everything, so I said, I'll just batch them on out. I previously batched out edge grain cutting boards off camera, so just to get some practice in. These cutting boards will be comprised of walnut, African mahogany, cherry, and purple heart. I officially kind of stepped into the 21st century. I have an Instagram, in the channel, in the banner, bottom right of the banner, you'll see my Instagram. I also have a website, going back to the Instagram, at Beard Guy Workshop. Check out my website too. I have some products on there, some cutting boards, coasters. I'll be adding a few other things. Hopefully just, keep adding things, getting better at my craft. That'll be, www.beardguyworkshop.com. All right, without further ado, let's get right to it.
I practice what I preach. They lie, I put her out my way, then get lost to see. Not sure what you wanted, but I'm what you need. I know my high just started, bet I hit a peak, yeah.
to the end of the video. It was a success, you know, scratch another one off the list. I really love making cutting boards. I can say out of, you know, everything I've made so far, and I'm guessing I will continue to make so far, cutting boards, I really love them, really enjoy making them, and I just want to kind of get better and better. You know, maybe hopefully make other styles and variations of cutting boards in the future. So, you know, stay tuned for that. It's pretty much it. You know, take care of yourself, you know, keep your head on a swivel, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.
Wonder if all my bad decisions get accounted in the algorithms. No statistician could dissuade me from my bigger vision. I know my occupation's quite an unlikely place in this world to occupy.